Ohayo, Kirinayo, babasa tayo from Shim Chanchi at 28 kasi ito kininanas. Napadasan ng nilagay mo si dati tukak taltalon no saan pa kahit na nga ta no ilutwam. Damagin tayo. Labs, do you want me to cook a frog you going to eat?
What?
Frog from Bukid, from farm.
It's Filipino food?
Mm-hmm.
No, we eat frog legs in Louisiana.
Woo!
Down in the South, they eat frog legs. I've had frog legs. You want to fry them up? Let's go eat some.
You eating frog also?
I've ate frog legs before, yeah.
Frog legs. It's tastes like a chicken.
Yeah, tastes like chicken.
Manda mo gayon.
I've eaten all kinds of different meat, baby.
But to you don't like.
I just don't like dried fish. I like fish, not dried fish.
How
No,
about
thank you.
How about my fish?
Oh, I like your fish.
Kidding.